do? What do I need to do? Which one? The tab maybe?
From starting, like you just try to create new project, then you'll have one login page.
Okay, new project. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay,
Do you have that copy which I sent on the day for the exercise?
okay, okay. Oh, for the exercise?
Yeah.
Is that for the exercise page? Yeah. I'm looking at my phone right now, so
Okay. Yeah.
let me see. Uh, so yeah, it's good. You could maybe just go over that. Yeah, that's good. Uh, yeah, I have it. Yeah, I have it on my phone now. So yeah, create JSP, right? Login display.
And
Yeah.
did you
So
send a
first
mail
create a
or how?
login as a.
No,
Is
no.
that,
Richard, 1 second. Did I send a
I'm sorry.
mail? Did I send a mail or how did I send that?
You send it through the email
Ah, okay. Then I think I
on the
will
August 12th.
read.
August 12th. August 12th.
Okay, sure. Then I
August
can
12th,
go
right?
through here. Yeah.
The exercise you're talking about, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Then give me a minute so that I can
Okay.
see my mission.
Yeah. 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 You start. Yeah, maybe walk me through that. This will be good.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what we plan. So basically, like
Yes.
one thing we
Yes.
need to do is we need to count the number of users.
Okay.
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 And then
Number of users. Yeah.
that is one thing. Then username password we need to validate in the servlet. Okay.
Um.
Yeah.
What's that again? The username and pass.
Maybe suppose if we have a login page, then when the user logged in, then
Right.
we need to one thing is we need to store the
Right.
username so that it should be displayed in every page. Okay. Okay. We'll go step by step. Okay.
Oh, the
First.
username should be replaced on every page. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That one. But
Okay.
that
Okay.
username displaying should be uh,
Uh,
or included only in header page. Okay, that's what. Don't get confused. We'll go step by step. First, we'll create one login page. Then I will tell what to do. Yeah, I think that will be.
right. Right. Okay. 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 Now the login page. Doesn't matter. It's a JSP or the HTML. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter because we are
Doesn't
just
matter.
having a form.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna let's see. Uh, create new. Yeah. Create a new project. Right.
Yeah.
Uh, do a new project. New project. This is the web dynamic. You see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Here, do you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Okay. So this will be a web dynamic. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Exercise one is okay. Project name.
Yeah.
Does it matter? We need to add this to work and say no, maybe not. No, here.
No.
I got you. Yeah. Thanks. Sort for. Build class. Yes. Generate website. Okay, so I got that. Yeah, so now I need to do this I once used. Let's see the HTML. Um, it's,
Before that, could you? Yeah, okay.
yeah,
Yeah, no
yeah.
problem.
Go ahead. Go ahead. What do I need to do?
No problem.
Yeah,
Actually,
I'm gonna create a
yeah.
yeah login HTML. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay. So, exactly same type, but input or something. Form action.
Maybe for now you can close all those files so that it will be easy to navigate.
Yeah, yeah.
You can just right click and
Some
close
way
everything.
to clone.
No, you can right click on any tab. Yeah. Okay, one second. You right click on this login.html, last one,
Uh,
and click
uh,
close others so that other thing will be closed.
okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah,
Mm.
yeah. That's good. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Just, just,
Form closing tab.
I know, I know. I must have. Select one. Okay, so just name text passwords. Passwords. Name and password. That's it. Okay, so that should take care of it. And then, uh, so the load. So I call this one maybe. So this. So let's do this. Login segment. Second message. Oh, package. No. Home dot. Initialization. Get and post. Yeah. Close though. Okay, so let's uh, so I'll do post in here, but I need to.
So now the user login validation should be checking whether the username and password both are same.
Oh yeah, yeah, right, right. So in here, let's just do this. Let's try. Um, yeah, request. So it's the same. Then we move to another page.
Yeah.
Yeah, so login successful or something like that, and then we use it could be request. Let's see, dispatcher. No, that's not it. Request that something dispatcher. Not.
Yeah, it should be like once it is success, it will go to home page. In home page, we may just in home page I will tell what to do. For now, it will just
Yeah,
redirect to
yeah.
home page.
I know. I'm not trying to do redirect. So that's a request dot. Uh, oh, is that request or maybe no.
Yeah, yeah, request.
Maybe
Yeah, that's correct.
respond. Is that respond?
1 second.
Maybe
No,
yeah.
what I was
No, no.
saying.
Yeah, yeah, I know, but I want to redirect first. Respond that get
Okay,
uh, re, something. I remember. I forgot the API. Get,
okay. Response dot send redirect. One more thing is request dot get request dispatcher.
no, request. It's not respond. Request dot get dispatcher. Dispatcher type. That's not the one. Something get
Get
dispatcher.
request dispatcher.
Is that right? Request. Where request dot get request. Oh yeah, request dispatcher. Yeah, and then it's JSP. So it was successful, and then here basically just return, right? Else, um, let's see, respond. I'm gonna ask you something. I remember. Respond dot. Right. Just do it and stuff. Let's see. Let's see. You say like control shift or something, control something to oh,
Control Shift O.
control alt shift.
Control Shift and O.
Oh, control shift and O. Okay, control shift and O. Okay, back second writer. So I just want to no. Oh, okay. Oh, pin one. Okay. So, now, so I'm going back to the login page, so I can do instead of request dispatch, I want to use the other one. What's the other one? So get dispatcher redirect, right? Respond.
Yeah.
Not get.
Response dot send redirect.
Get. Oh, send. Oh, thank you. Send redirect. Okay. And then so this should be now. I go back to the location. I remember I read it somewhere, or maybe you explained this to me before. I want this, this on that page. It will say invalid user password, and I go back to this page. This won't do it, right?
Yeah.
Because once you write something and then you say will respond redirect, you won't see it. But I have to say include or something like that somewhere. Is that right?
Okay. So in the page, you need to see that message. Basically, I didn't quite get it.
Yeah, I want to
Suppose.
see this message and
Okay.
then the same page. Yeah, right.
Okay. In the same page, then you don't have to
So
redirect it. What we can do is like,
something include something,
yeah, you can
because
do.
I want to use the same page. I don't want to create a new page,
Yeah.
same page, but add this message to that page,
Yeah. So you
then you see
just
it.
create one
So
request
that's it.
Yeah. Yeah. You just create one request attribute, which is a error message here in the request. Then in the login.html,
Mhm.
if you redirect, okay, instead of redirect, you can do the forward so that you can see that particular message in that login.html.
So like this will work. Would this work?
No,
Yeah.
this won't work. You need to add this message as a request attribute. Then you need to forward to login.html.
Oh, forward, forward. Oh, that's one way, but that's another way. Oh, you mean like add the attribute, send it, and then go over there and then get the attribute and all that?
Yeah, on that. Otherwise, you can try something like here. Try to add instead of response dot. Just comment out response dot send redirect. Comment out that line. Yeah,
Uh, okay, okay. Well, I'm sorry, Gary. One more time. One more time.
yeah.
Yeah, it's I got
What?
some static in your background. I couldn't hear it. Yeah, go ahead and say that again. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it's okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now it's better. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So
So what I
what
was
did you say?
saying. Okay. After the first line where you're getting response dot get writer.
No, no. It's bad. Okay. It's bad. Bad. Bad.
Okay. You couldn't able to hear me.
Right.
That's what you're
Right
saying.
here. And then I do a print writer print line. Don't do this.
Yeah. Don't do that.
I'm sorry. Hello. Yeah. I'm sorry. Don't do this line.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I thought there's a way to, like you can print it out and then you redirect and then it will include that message something,
No,
something like
no, it won't actually.
send
So
redirect.
it will be like creating a new page. Even though if you are writing in a print writer, it will be creating a new
Mm,
page.
mm.
So
Oh,
maybe
okay.
you,
So don't write it.
yeah, maybe you can try pw dot append. Just check whether that is there.
Okay. 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 PW there. A pen. Yeah. A pen includes characters. I'm trying to see. There's something included. I thought I read it somewhere. Oh, right now we'll try a pen and see what happens, right?
Yeah.
Pen. Let's see.
Basically here the thing is we won't use normal servlet thing, right? So in other frameworks we can just add one parameter here, then we can able to get that over in JSP. So
Okay.
that's the difference, yeah.
Okay. So now I'd say put a pen and then respond and see what happens. And
Oh,
let
now
me
don't
do it.
do response dot redirect.
Don't do this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't do that.
Uh-huh. So how do I go back to the same login page? I don't want to create a new page, right? I mean that's too be here. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I understood.
Okay.
Actually,
Yeah.
this won't work. I was thinking again in some other framework.
How about this? Let me create a home page, just some basic, and then we'll run it and then see what happens. Let's get some basic, okay? So
Yeah.
I'm going to create a home JSP. do, let me see. So,
Hi Richard, we're asking something.
yeah,
Actually, my connection got
yeah.
disconnected. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Actually, my connection got disconnected. I reconnected now.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Can you see my screen now?
yeah, I can.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Oh, I just ran the exercise, the yeah login work. You know, if I put in the username and password the same, it said welcome whatever the username.
Okay.
That worked. But of course, the one when if I put in the name and then the password something else, then I see the login screen again. But I never seen the this message. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
so
Basically, we are
append
redirecting, so it
append
won't
won't work.
appear.
Yeah. So I think there's a way. Let me try to think. There's a PW dots.
No, basically, what yeah, I understood there is a include, but that is a header HTML again. So what I would suggest
Mhm.
is if you want to see the same page, you can redirect to login HTML so that you will see the same page. Here you can
Right.
add it in the request attribute. So in the login HTML, you can get it.
Uh, yeah, but every time, you know, so okay, let's do it your ways. Okay, so what do I need to do? Just set attribute,
Yeah.
session that attribute,
No, just request.set attribute.
request. Oh, just a request. Okay, because we're gonna send redirect. Uh,
No, we are gonna forward.
oh, forward. Okay, so so we have to change this to send redirect, right? To
Yeah, yeah,
forward, right?
yeah.
Okay, so request. We'll do this. So set attribute. Okay. Oh, it's name is message. Statue. Oh, it's a double quote. That's good. Now, in the login.xml, um, oh, now since this is a .xml, I should change it back to the JSP or something, right? So I can get the attribute,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's there.
right?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Because JSP, rename. Oh, let's just make sure. No, let's just make sure I create it. Copy it over. So, let's JSP. So, let's, submit.
Now here you can have one input field.
Uh,
So the
just so that will be before this, right?
yeah,
Before the name,
before that, yeah.
right? Right. So I
Okay,
basically
I
have to.
think now I understood. So why we are asking for the same page? Basically, when you are trying for login, it will show the error message in the same page.
Right, right. That's what I'm
Yeah,
trying to
that
say.
will
Because
be. Yeah,
something
yeah.
about like you actually write out in the response, and then something when
No,
you
no, no.
redirect, you say I want to include that message, and then that message will shows up, and then the screen, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah. Basically, the normally the error message that you are seeing in a pages that will be done in
Uh,
a JavaScript. So that is a client-side validation.
uh,
Okay, that will be very easy. Like you can just show up the message wherever that you want in the same page. But when it is going to the server, so it needs to go to some other page from there. Then you need to pass a message. Then you need to display. So that's the difference between
right.
normal validation and this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So don't do that. Don't do that
Yeah,
in
basically
this
if
one.
you want to use the same page, then you can have this login.jsp as a first page, and then you are
Hmm.
going to the servlet, then you can return back to this login.jsp. But maybe what you can do, the same place, you can just add the one input type now. Just add on
Okay.
maybe
So
yeah input type or what we can go.
okay. Yeah, maybe
Just go with
redirect if
label.
I need.
Yeah.
Okay. Just type equal text, right?
I think nothing is needed. You just add a scriptlet tag here.
Oh, simple tag. Okay.
Just check whether the request attribute has the message error message. If it is there, then
Okay, so right. So I forgot the script tag is uh,
percentage.
less than equal. Is that right?
Percentage.
Or maybe percentage? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that okay. And then in here I said request dot get attribute,
Yeah.
right? Message.
Yeah. Just put the equal after the percentage of the first one.
Oh, equal. Is
Yeah.
that right? I
So
forgot
that it will display.
something just
Yeah.
above. Okay. So that's request. So I can basically do this. Let's see. So,
Basically, what they will do instead of putting in the username password, they will just put
mhm.
the message on the top of the form, so that whatever the other message that can be shown in the one place.
Right,
Yeah.
right. I just say it's a message.
No, you don't have to do this itself will print in the UI. That's why
Oh,
I told
oh.
equal. Yeah.
Um, but what I want to do is get the message, but the message, because the first time when it's you go in here,
Yeah.
when you get the attribute or something, right, then would be the first time the message would be no, right?
Yeah.
So what no, then you won't show anything.
Yeah.
So how would I do that? The
Uh,
first time, right?
yeah.
Because here I just if I just say oh message something equal something then it's no, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got
Yeah.
it.
So I want to see if it makes sense. I say do this, okay? So I say if this right I
Yeah. Yeah.
get the
That makes
message
sense. Yeah. Yeah.
right, and then string with that, and then I said if the uh, message equal no, that means this message equal no, then don't do it. If in message not equal to no, not equal to no, then and then we say it uh, um, so otherwise, like first time go to it go to this, and so maybe this is no, and then it won't do anything. But let me see why it's complaining about string.
Yeah. One
Let me see.
second. Can you just remove? Okay.
Yeah.
Basically, you need to
Why it's
remove that equal. Uh, the first after percentage in the scripted tag. Yeah, yeah. When we put equal, that is the expression tag.
oh, aggression. Okay, what's
Yeah.
that? I know. Because I've been forget. I don't use it and forget. I know.
Okay.
So that's
Just
okay.
save it now.
Yeah. Let's see. String
That is
request.
went and what about the request?
Let's see. Type mismatch cannot convert object to string.
Yeah, dot to
Oh,
string.
get request. Okay. I see. It's returning objects.
Oh, instead of doing this one, basically it is recommended to do after that one put dot then to string.
Oh, I see. You get the
Yeah,
message and then
to string. Yeah. Now remove the string.
Thank you. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So I say, and then string, and then this conditional gonna convert the string to a boolean. Oh,
Yeah, here should be
okay.
message,
So
not equal.
then not equal no. So then it's not equal no. Then I print it up. Okay. So that looked good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that. Let's try
But
that.
in
See,
login servlet, you need to include it in request attribute that we are doing right now.
I'm sorry. Say that again.
Go back to the login servlet.java once.
Yeah. Hold on. There's something wrong here.
Okay.
Why are you complaining about this one? You see that syntax error on token? Delete this token. Where's it? Where's it? It's talking about. Is there something? Let's see. Script tag. That should be fine, right? Why is it still complaining? It's complaining something here. What happened? Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Say that again.
Yeah, just go back to the login servlet.java once.
Login service. Yeah. Okay. I forward
Yeah,
the
here you
request
are
on.
adding it as a mess. Okay, yeah, that should be, yeah, that's correct.
Okay, and then the web data now that I say go back to the login.jsp should be the
Yeah,
first one.
yeah.
So then I go through this, run it again. I don't know, maybe it's a compiling error or something. Let's see. Oh, it's looking like it's something about exception. So, exception occurred process JSP number. Line 14. No pointer exception. Line 14. Okay, so login with JSP. What's this? Line 14.
Okay, I think here request itself null, so just you need to put a request not equal null check before that because it's a first line.
I'm sorry.
And there may be like,
What's wrong with this?
okay, just confused.
Is there something wrong with this
Yeah,
syntax
yeah,
error?
yeah. Actually, there is because after request.get attribute message, we are doing toString,
Uh-huh.
but that request.get
Oh,
attribute
okay. It's a no.
null.
No. Yeah. I got. Yeah. That's it. Okay. 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 I see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's
Maybe
this
you can
message.
assign
Okay.
it to
And last
object
now
instead of string. You
and a
assign it to
message.
object. Then you can check object.null. No, here, yeah, yep, toString.
Yeah.
Before this, change that string to object
Which one?
message type.
Oh, yeah. So yeah, object and then to string. Okay. That should do. And then get this something and still
Yeah,
complaining. I don't know.
yeah,
It's
one
still
second.
error or not.
Can check.
But I don't see anything, right?
No, no, just keep it on top of that. Let me check what is this error about. Uh,
Delete this token. Syntax error on token parenthesis. I don't see where the parenthesis that he's talking about.
Maybe I'm not sure. After message in the first line, there's a space between. Yeah, go to
Which
the
one?
line number 14.
14. Okay.
Remove the space before that semicolon. I'm not sure that should cause
Oh,
the
I see. I
issue,
see. I
but
see.
that shouldn't be a
Yeah.
problem. Still, no, that's not a problem. Like without
Syntax error. It's
mistake.
complaining about this line.
Yeah,
Is that right? Less than percentage and then percentage
yeah,
greater than. Is that
that
right?
is correct. Yeah.
Mhm. Well, let's run it. See if it's a complaint. Let's see. Oh, it's one, right? Questions. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. So that's username. Okay, so we say it's the same. Then well, then let's see. Yeah, we try that first. Try save. Okay, and then say. Okay, so it came out. But let's see. How come the user came out first? Let's see. Go back to the server again. See what's.
It should be in a JSP.
Oh, the JSP.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So log in the JSP username first. Ah, okay, okay, okay. So this. Should I put it in here, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Even before form also you can place.
Doesn't matter, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Right, okay. Okay, so that's yeah. So if let's say the first time the message blank, like I said, it won't see anything. And then
Yeah. So
yeah,
basically,
okay,
whenever you are
right,
writing a JSP, you can imagine it as a normal Java file. So how it will be
right.
converted. Yeah. So then it will be more
Yeah.
understandable.
So okay, so let's do this the basics. So do yeah, invalid username, password, and yeah. So okay, that's good. All right, it's a basic.
Yeah.
um, okay. Oh, okay. So now in the go this home page, and I'm supposed to do welcome this, and then I know I need to add some the header or something later on, but I want to do the meat of this first, like do add subtraction or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
So let's do that. So let's do the meat. The let's see. If success is a home page, here home, have an href URL to add JSP. Okay, so okay, going to add. Okay. Okay, so okay, all right. So let's go to the home JSP. Okay, so now, okay, I need to copy yours. Let's see, href, something else. I just need to copy your syntax. This is JP's one. I'm looking for the one with the href
Okay.
syntax.
I can help you on that. Go to the page so that I can.
Yeah. What page is it?
No, no. Don't worry. I will just type it here so that you can use it.
Okay. So that's
I just sent in the
so on.
GoToMeeting chat.
Yeah. Href.
So instead of
So
closing in the same place, you can remove the slash and you can put the content like add. Then you can close the anchor tag.
like this. So back, so less than A, that, right? And then href, right? And then add JSP. And then I can put the add something like that. Yeah, I know these. Just that I don't use it often, so I don't remember exact
Can you
syntax.
just check the chat again? There is one more I sent.
Uh,
Okay, that's how you need to put that add.
mm,
So it will be like you need to remove the double quotes, which is after that one. I think you just confused with the format.
okay.
Can you see the chat now? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see.
Put the double quotes
Using,
inside before the slash. Yeah, okay. That should be good.
let's see.
The,
Double quote, and
this
then
we will go to the HR
so
section.
oh
Basically the
that,
first one,
oh,
change that to less than symbol.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, href, and then that's app.jsp,
Yeah, that's
right?
perfect.
Then
And in the
this
description, add.
this, okay. Let's see. What else you need to do? And you want add a number, and then add or subtract and multiply. Okay. Yeah. Hold on, Gary. Let me turn on my lights. Hold on. Hold on. That's amazing. We half of the half of the Earth away. You're sunshine morning over there. I'm getting dark. So let's the charts. Okay, so that's
Sorry, Richard, you are asking something? Or?
no, no, no. I was gonna say that we just half of the Earth away. You in the morning now. I'm getting dark over here.
Oh, okay.
So I just turned on my lights.
Okay.
Okay, so that's that. So let's do the basic, and then I do exercise. Do like that. Let's see. I say that's okay. JSP. Let's see. Let's JSP. Okay, so Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's good. So let's just use the login circuits. Okay, successful. So GSP. So, okay, so add. So now let's do the basic. We will add GSP. Let's Huh? Where? Be careful. Okay. Uh, okay, so do that. Two. Two. So do this is what that's Okay, try that. See next. See. 35, 42. How come this equals 70? Let's see. There's something wrong. It's 77, right? So hold on. So let's go back. 35, 42. So let me see. Hold on. Let me check. Let's see. So JSP X surface. So
I
let's
think
see.
you were just adding those two numbers, number one itself. That's why 35 plus 35 70. So in the servlet, what is the servlet?
Oh,
Yeah,
surface. Yeah, surface. Yeah, surface. Uh,
yep, same thing.
number one. Oh, because I not here. Right. So one, get the one, get the two, and then I add up. Yeah, get right results equal number one, number two. Okay, that's good. So let's see, try that one. You see, I want to fix something. So let's GSP. So that's good. Okay. So three, two, one. Okay, that's good. I mean, just a basic. So okay, we get the. Let's see.
So now there are two things main which is pending. Okay,
Uh,
1 second.
yeah. Go ahead. Wow, it's good. While you exercise, time just flies so fast.
Yeah. So, yeah, what I was saying is that there are two things which is pending. One will
Uh,
be like displaying the logged in username in all the pages. So even till now,
right.
so it should come
Yeah.
here, but that should come
Okay, so
from a different JSP, which is maybe header.jsp.
okay. So yeah, me walk me through that because the other
Yeah,
two page I can add it, like
yeah,
subtract and do the
that's right.
same thing. No big thing, no big thing.
Yeah.
So do this. I do a new do a servlets, right?
No,
No,
for what?
JSP.
Okay.
No. I mean, I create a JSP first, right?
Yeah,
The header JSP,
yeah,
right? And I should call this what header or something. So
yeah, header.jsp.
yeah. Maybe walk me through this. How do I do this thing? So header JSP. Okay, so this is group header. Okay, so in here, what do I put in here? The set for the session, it always display the name, username. Is that what
Yeah,
it is?
yeah.
Oh, okay. So uh, do do like a script tag or something?
Yeah, script letter.
Slash then slash equal, right? Or is that percentage? I forget. Percentage.
Yeah, you can do how you done in the login
Mm.
validation. So just check whether the
Login.
session has the attribute or not. If it has,
Okay,
then
so
we'll display it. Otherwise, you display a default value, something like user.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. So like this. Okay, so it's oh, two different. So, let's see. So I do request guest attribute username, but instead of request, I should do like session, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna save it in the session. So go to this page, it always include it. It doesn't know as long in the same session. Get attributes, and then that should return an objects. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, object. All right. And then there's the user. User not equal to null. Not equal to null. Then I do this. So okay, so now I have this header page.
Maybe in else condition, you can have one more thing where it just say user, so that if it doesn't find a name, it will just display. So for some safer side. Otherwise, don't worry. Yeah, just leave it. That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, no. How you want me to change it?
No.
So
Yeah.
if there's a user, display the user, right? If there's no user, it shouldn't say anything.
Yeah. 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 That's okay. Yeah.
That's okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, but now I need to include this header in the result page, right?
Yeah. Yeah. In every page actually, a home
Any
page
page.
and the
Okay.
ad.
Okay. So let's do a home page first.
Yeah.
Home page. So welcome. So this is a home page. Oh, home.
That's the
Home.
old one
Okay.
actually. It has its.
Okay. Okay. So I forgot. Walk me through a little bit. So I got this thing. I have to do this include, right? Is that right?
Not there. Maybe inside a body before. Yeah.
Oh,
Right
inside
now you
body.
have that
Okay.
welcome right in that place.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome. Yeah. So uh,
So
before welcome, would you the
yeah.
username something?
Yeah.
Okay. So here I put uh, that page include something. I
Yeah.
forgot.
Not a
Right?
scriptlet tag.
Not a super title. I'm thinking about
I think
this.
it's a JSP colon okay, it's a include attribute. Put yeah at over there. At
So
here.
one more time.
At
Oh, add, right?
no
Add,
percentage then at.
then, oh, yeah, yeah, percentage, and then add, oh, skip, shipping. Okay, and then
Space include.
page, right?
Include, not page.
Not include, include,
Then file.
equal,
No, space file. So include is
oh,
a directive. Then space
uh,
file is an attribute. Then you need to give the URL.
uh, okay, okay. Then the file equals the header, JSP.
I
Just like
think
that?
yeah, just like that.
Oh, okay, yeah, I know, sorry. Yeah, we went through this before, but
Yeah,
don't remember. Something like I need to include.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I remember. Yeah, yeah, we need to include a page.
There is one more thing we need to do. We need to create a session attribute. Right now we are just getting it, but when user
Oh,
log in,
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Okay, so yeah, when you use the login, so let's see, hold on. So login at JSP. Oh, it's in the login that's servlets, right? So,
yeah.
so login servlets. Yeah, so it's a before we redirect here, we say session that's oh, the sessions request. sessions. That's so. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Attributes, values. So attributes. This is but in the header, what did I put in there? So header should be name. Okay, that will do. So let's try that. Okay, so yeah, okay, so you got the pick up the name. So I need to put some space. Add. Oh, okay, I didn't put in the add JSP. So JSP. So that's surface. Okay, that's surface. That's surface. Oh, in the servlet, add servlet. So because right now I just send it out directly. So if I want to include that page, um, I just have to print it out directly. Gary, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just thinking.
Yeah, yeah. I want to include that header also in this. So, when I said right, every
Yeah,
single
that's right.
page. You
Yeah.
want that, right? So how would I do it in here? Now it's a servlet. I mean, I can get the accessor name and print it out too.
Yeah.
But
Like
is
header,
is
you are
that a better
asking.
way?
I understood.
Yeah.
Um,
Because I figure if I do that, it would be then I have another subtract servlet. I repeat the same thing. You know what I mean?
yeah,
Just
yeah, yeah.
attribute
Yeah.
display.
Okay,
So
so
is there
just
a better way?
yeah. So I'll just look for that. Maybe before that, you can do like one more thing we need to do, right? Getting the count of
Uh,
users logged in. So just do that one, and I'll. Yeah,
yeah. Let's do that one.
yeah,
Okay, so they log in. So as soon as they log in, hold on. So let's see. So that means they're logging. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. That's good. That's a good point. So let's see. Login servants. So I do post the password. So now I get request and then go to the home. So is this where I should add it, or in the home I should add it? Right here, right? After successful.
Yeah. Uh,
Yeah, login, right? So this is so I do let's see, this is login. I'm trying to think. So I can set. Oh, that's I mean, using the what's that context, uh, servlet context. But I'm trying to say basically I want to have a servlet that's called servlet context. Not no. Uh, it's the same thing as not the page. We have a session and then we have the something context. I forgot.
yeah, servlet context.
Servlet context, right?
Yeah.
But here, um, uh, it's now I'm thinking because it's more like a catch-22. I haven't set up that attributed yet. But then I try to get it and then increment it and put it back. Is that the right thing to do?
Okay. Uh,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
If I go and
Maybe
get
before you creating it, you need to check.
yeah, I initialize that.
Yeah.
So that means in the login, that's JSP.
No, in login servlet, the same
Uh,
process. What you can do is that in first you try to get like what you can do. 1 second. Just create a servlet context also.
oh yeah, I mean, yeah, I can do this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Strength. I didn't say. Let's say this is number of user, right? Number of user. Is that what we try to keep track of?
Yeah.
Number of user. Number user or something like that. And then so this would be request dot. Let's see. How do I get the servlet? Get server context. Yeah. Server context dot get attribute. Okay. So, oh, objective string. Okay. Objective string. Object person. Object. Yeah, with the total number of not equal to null, then I'll say total. So that's set back. That's another thing. Now I remember. So in terms of attribute, normally we set string, right? Can we set an object or something in it?
No.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Normally string or just
yeah,
you
it's
know, let's
just
say even I have an object, you know, Java object. Let's say in the object it has the, you know, name, age, and something. Can I set that object in there? And then when I retrieve it, I should get everything. Probably not. Huh?
basically if we have an object and collection of object, we will use something called JSON.
Oh,
Uh,
JSON. Okay,
yeah,
okay,
but
okay,
the JSON can
okay,
be converted to string and object,
okay,
but I'm not
okay. So
sure
that's
about
fine.
the object.
So okay. So let's say total. I got the total, and now I need to put it back, right? So basically, initial to string. So okay, it is not because no else. Let's see. Again, and then do the set attribute. Set attribute. Okay. So now we got it after we log in, and then you know in the header, right? We
Yep.
want to be in the header, so display sometimes then headers. Maybe so user. So if user not in, so that's same thing. Sessions, and now this is now I can have for that something context. No, no, it's not. Serve as context. No, something contact. Page contact? No, that's not page. Oh, application. Yeah. It's just a name.
Okay.
I don't remember. I'm sorry. I know bad student. I didn't review. So get. So now it's. I'm getting attributes. Yeah. So it's. So I get the user user. And the same thing. I should do. Total. Equal more.
And you were asking for that string setting object, right? Basically, you can
Yeah.
use the same set attribute method to set an object. So
Oh,
it's
I can do that.
an object, yeah.
Oh. Okay. And then when I get back the object, so I just cast it to
Yeah,
whoever because I know what I put in.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
Let's say a person, object, or something. And then when I get it, it's still an object, right? But
yeah.
then I say, okay, I know I put the person object in there, so when I get it, it just casts it. to the person object and then use it,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. Yeah.
Okay, okay, yeah. Because it doesn't know what you put in. Okay, so if the object total is not null, so that way we say okay, if it's not null, then we say okay. So let's so that's a string, right? Oh, object, so same thing. Okay, so that's a do, right? So application get attribute for the
And we
user.
will also go to the servlet. We will do that include. We're asking, right?
Servlet,
Add servlet.
this not
Add servlet.
add servlet. Okay.
Yeah. If you want to
Uh,
include a
uh,
page here,
uh,
then you need to get
uh,
do that request.get request dispatcher.
uh, I'm sorry. Can you go back? I'm not sure what you're talking about. So this is after you click add, right? Then you
Yeah.
go in here, do the add,
Yeah.
and then oh, it print out all these. Right,
Yeah.
right. It
Yeah.
print out all
Where you
these.
need to put the
But before,
header.jsp. Yeah.
yeah. So in before do the read post, right? And then oh, so you mean did we include the header in here? We didn't include the header in here.
We didn't include. Now let me explain how to include the header here.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So now in
Right.
the after adding, come down a little bit. Yeah. So
Yeah.
maybe I think you can put after the 38th line.
38. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. Maybe there. Yeah. So here just request dot get request dispatcher.
oh, I see. Get request dispatcher. Okay.
Yeah. Put the
And
header.jsp path.
okay.
There is an option of dot include.
Dot
Include.
include. Oh, yeah. This is what I was talking about. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
I thought I saw it somewhere. Dot include, and then of course the
Yeah. Just enter. I think it should
include.
take.
Yeah. That's yeah. So that's yeah. That should do. Yeah, that should do. Right. We
Yeah.
set get request dispatcher included, and then whatever follow, included. That's a key. Yeah, get dispatcher,
Yeah. I
not the
think in case
forward,
of
but
even
included.
error validation, you can use this one. I think.
Okay, yeah. Let's try that. Let's try that. Okay, so that's let's see. Wow, that's pretty good. One section, I think. I know. I just work and come home, and then I should have done my homework. and then submit. So yeah, root user, Richard, total user one, yeah, okay. And we have, yeah, you got it right. So that's but if I let's say, let's see, one. Okay, so this. Can you still see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Yeah. No total user two. Okay. Can I add? Yeah. Okay. So that's good. Uh, so yeah, I'm gonna do the what else? The subtract and multiply the same thing, right?
Yeah.
And then what else you you said I need to do
There is one more thing is like clearing the session in case of logout. So you will in
oh,
header.jsp itself you can have one link which is logout so that it will appear in every page. So when we
okay,
click on logout, we need to clear the session value. Basically, that's the username password.
okay.
Yeah.
All right. So can we, if you don't mind, Giri, can we continue that next session? Is
Yeah,
that
yeah,
okay?
sure, sure. Yeah,
Is
yeah.
this,
We'll do
yeah.
this in now.
Well, thank you for walking me through this. In
Yeah,
a way that refreshed my for me. Yeah. I remember just something, I didn't, but I understand. I understand. Trust me,
yeah,
I understand, how
yeah,
things work. But just the syntax, I'm just a little, not quite there. Sometimes I need to, review things a little bit.
yeah.
That's pretty good. Oh my God, time fly.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So we'll continue. So Monday my time. Is that
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Your time. Uh, yeah. Let's see. Actually, Monday I'm off. I'm
Okay.
I'm flexible on that day. You want to be early? You want late? Or how do you want it? It's the same time. It's fine. However
Yeah,
you want it.
same time should be fine. Yeah,
Same time, right?
yeah,
7. Yeah,
yeah,
7 my time.
yeah,
Monday.
yeah,
That means 7:30 morning something your
yeah.
time.
7:30 morning.
Monday.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. Are we good?
yeah, yeah. We're good. Yeah, we'll see you on Monday then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks, Gary. Thank
yeah,
you.
sure.
Gary, thank
Yeah,
you.
welcome.
Okay.